If you haven't heard about Anchor, it is the easiest way to make a podcast. Let me explain, it's free. I've been using it for a few weeks now and I absolutely love it. I think it's a fantastic platform and it's something that everybody can leverage from, and everybody should have something to talk about because everybody has their own unique way of, their own unique passions and stuff like that. So this is a creation tool that allows you to record and edit your podcast right from your phone and computer. So it's that easy. Anchor will distribute your podcast for you so it can be heard on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and many more places. So literally it's all in one. All you have to do is just upload your podcast or record right here from the actual app, and it does the work for you. How easy is that? So you can sit there, record your podcast, and move on. You can make money from your podcast with no minimum listenership. It's everything you need to make a podcast and own. Make sure you download the Anchor app or find it on the website anchor.fm to get started. Easy. So today for our Bear Wedding Boutique, we are going to talk about, should you invite your coworkers to your wedding or event? And the answer is solely up to you. If you're like most people, you work a 9-to-5 job, you show up to work, and some people have work groups or individuals that they're close to, and that's who they stick to for the next 8 hours. They stick around. They have, some people call them work husbands, work wives, and close acquaintances that they have at their employer, for meetings. Somebody's saving seats for the group, so you all could be able to sit next to each other and laugh and giggle while the meeting is going on. And then to top it up, sometimes you may even hang outside of work, go out for lunch, out to the bar, maybe shopping. Maybe you invite them to some of your family gatherings. Your whole work gang needs to be present for, with their spouse and their families. So you never pay too much attention to those who are outside of the work group. Those are the ones that's kind of like on the outside looking in and knowing that they feel left out and excluded from you and your work gang, your work crew, your work family, whatever it is that you choose to call them. They feel excluded from there. So now you came to work, very happy, and oh my gosh, I got married, I got proposed to, or I popped the question finally, happy, excited for this new chapter that you're about to enter, when all of a sudden, you start getting to the wedding planning process. You're handing out invitations. You're talking about the wedding. Now everything that you talk about is wedding. The people that you're close to at work, they're very happy. They engage in a conversation with you. Meanwhile, the person that's outside looking in is upset. They are upset because they know that you are not going to invite them. They know that once they see you handing and distributing out invitations to your work family, they are not going to get one. So, and if you are I'm not going to say popular one, but the one that's mainly in the group and you're cordial with everybody, what a greeting base is, like a hi and a bye. And, that person outside looking in, they are, like I said before, jealous and envious because even though you do say hi and bye, that's just not enough for them. They want to be included as well into your celebration. They want to be invited. They want to be inside the crew. They want to be close with somebody in the workplace. So, like I said before, they see you passing out invitations, and next thing you know, you get pulled aside from a manager based upon a anonymous coworker, because of course they can never tell you who made the complaint. They'll never say it to avoid hostility in the workplace, but an anonymous coworker is feeling left out because they were not invited to your wedding. And management then concludes that if you invite a group of coworkers, you must invite everyone so nobody does not feel left out. After that, what would you do? Would you invite the whole department or not invite your work friends at all? Comment below or give me some sort of feedback somewhere. Head over to my website, ourbrareweddingboutique.com, and find that blog post that I posted entitled, How Do I Go About Inviting Some Coworkers? And leave your comments. I am very interested in hearing your comments. I am very interested in hearing your thoughts because, as you know, working in a work environment, everybody's not going to mingle with everybody. And some people, like I said before, feel entitled. They don't want to feel left out. And if they do feel left out, they're not going to bring that to management's attention to trying to block any type of things going on that they're not included in. So like I said, head on over ourbrareweddingboutique.com. Leave your comments. Also, if you want great quality event or wedding day planning items, go to efavormart.com and use my special affiliate link, Arbrare, ARBRE 1515 for your total, to trim your total down and save some money. So it was nice talking to you today, and until next time.